Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We'll be making these adorable red, white, and blue butterfly earrings. We just need a few supplies. This is a super quick and easy project, and we will be using the one-step looper in the 1.5 millimeter. You'll just need a head pin, some eye pins, an earring of your choice, and then your red, white, and blue butterflies. And these were purchased from a local bead shop in Placerville, California, Artistic Beads and Studio. I will leave a link down below in the description so you can check out her website and Instagram. And I'm always posting new content, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Super quick project, so let's start creating. We're going to take our head pin and slide on our blue butterfly and use our one-step looper. We're just going to slide it in. We want to leave just a little bit of wiggle room. We don't want it right up to the bead because that can cause it to crack. And you're just going to give it a squeeze. We're going to move that off to the side. And you can do this the same way to make little connectors, or if you want to make your earrings longer, same technique. Put it through our one-step looper, give it a squeeze, and we have our little butterflies. So now I like to take my round nose pliers and make sure that my loops are even and closed. If you want to move them a little bit closer to the butterfly, you can. So we opened up the blue one. We're just going to link it on. And then we're going to use our round nose pliers again and just close your loop. So you'll have your little dangles. And what's nice about the butterflies is whatever kind of wire, if you use like a rose gold, silver, or just regular gold, it'll show in your design. So instead of using spacer beads, you have the metal showing from your eye pins. So we're going to do the same thing and just open up the middle one. And we're going to connect it to the bottom of the other butterfly. And close. We have our little butterflies. And then on this one, we're just going to round it and make sure that everything is closed. And then we're just going to attach it to our ear wire. And just like that, we have beautiful butterfly earrings in red, white, and blue using glass beads from Artistic Beads and Studio. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming content and tutorials. Have an awesome day.